I gotta turn off the AC. Alright, anyway. Yesterday, Apple has introduced iOS 14 and as well as iPadOS 14 too as well. Video on that coming soon. But along that, we have a new addition to Apple CarPlay. I mean, this year, it's a minor change. As you guys can see, the standout feature is having wallpapers. So this is a Honda Civic 2016. Any car that has Apple CarPlay is going to have all the same features. It's just going to be a different screen, different aspect ratio and everything. Is this the brightest it can go? We're going to do this in max brightness. You guys can see brand new wallpapers. This is really good. We're going to take it over to the settings and we're going to go into wallpapers. Now, you cannot have custom wallpapers. You're only going to have the wallpapers provided here. But hey, this is better than nothing. Hopefully, Apple can allow us to set our own wallpapers, not just the stock wallpapers, but only time will tell. Alright, so just to confirm, this is iOS 14. I just want to show you guys, can you even do it if you change a wallpaper? Which, by the way, this looks weird too. Like, this is the big widget. I know Apple's going to fix that. This is the first beta, so it is what it is. So let's say I want this wallpaper. Is it going to change on my CarPlay? Okay, so nothing's changing. Alright, so I guess you're going to have to go into this settings and set it right here. This is my first time using it. We're going to go through all the wallpapers right now. And you can set it. You can go home, and there you go. Now, a lot of people might not be a fan of the icon, like the shade of it. I wish you can turn that off. And honestly, I really just don't want any labels. I think it looks so much cleaner not having any labels underneath the icons. But that's just me. We're going to go through all the wallpapers, and I'm going to see which one fits best. And even like the stock, look how clean this look. No icon labels, nothing like that, just the icons. That looks so much better. Alright, so we got the gray here. The gray doesn't look too bad here. I would pick a color that matches the aesthetic of your car for the best ambiance. But yeah, you got this little cream beige kind of like color. And we got this red. The red is actually not too shabby. And of course you have some of the new Apple Maps features. You still don't have pitch to zoom, which to me, I mean, I think that's just, I guess that's just Apple CarPlay. I don't know why it is that. You do have EV routes. If you have an electric car, you could be able to find the routes that's more suitable for your electric car. But one thing I noticed is the music. The music application is slightly different, but I think the album artwork is a little bit bigger, but it just looks different. Siri has a new interface, of course, so it's not going to take up that much of the screen. It's just a little ball that illuminates every time you talk. And you have a new
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
And then you have a new loaded animation too once it gets everything. What's the weather?
It's currently clear and 82 degrees. Expect mostly cloudy skies starting in the afternoon. Temperatures are heading down from 82 degrees to 73 tonight.
Send a voice note to SimplyPops. Voice message, I meant to say.
Great. Send it to SimplyPops.
Review. Note.
Great. Send it to SimplyPops.
Oh, wait. Change.
Okay. Go ahead.
This is a testing out iOS 14 voice messages using Siri.
Great. Send it to SimplyPops.
Review. This is a testing out iOS 14 voice messages using Siri.
Great. Send it to SimplyPops.
Yes.
Okay, it's sent.
And just like that. You couldn't do that before, but now on iOS 14 you could do that on all the devices basically that supports iOS 14. But it's even more convenient to do it inside your car right here. Send a voice note to SimplyPops saying test 1212.
Great. Send it to SimplyPops.
Review. Test 1212.
Great.
Okay.
Send it to SimplyPops.
Yes.
Okay, it's sent.
Alright, so I get it now. So you gotta say send a voice note to SimplyPops saying X, Y, and Z. So you gotta be a little bit more natural with it. You can't just say send a voice note and then wait for Siri to respond and then you say X, Y, and Z. It's just a more fluid conversation. So that's definitely a good look. Am I gonna use that feature a lot? probably it's gonna come in handy probably. Also, let me know in the comments down below, what is this button? If you guys know it, drop it down below. I'm curious. It's like an infinite, maybe it's playing forever, but then again, it's like you can still set it, the repeat right there. Oh, okay. So what the button does is it plays your next history, like it repeats your history. So whatever song you played in the past, it's gonna basically loop it up again. So it's like an infinite play, non-stop. So it's technically a repeat, but the repeat might mean you're repeating the album or a song, I don't know. But with this infinite button, it's gonna repeat your history too as well. So yeah, overall, that's basically it. I mean, a very bare bones update to CarPlay. I should have included this on yesterday's video talking about iOS 14, but it is what it is, man. I mean, this is how it is. Apple CarPlay. I like the wallpapers. It's a nice addition. But yeah, that's basically it. Drop a like on this video, subscribe if you're new with notifications on for more Apple content. I have the brand new 16-inch MacBook Pro coming in tomorrow or sometime during this week. That's the one with the new GPU processor. I can't wait to upgrade my MacBook, man. Wow, I can't wait for it. All right, guys, until next time. Peace out.